If you need a more budget-friendly option for a hairdryer than some of the other ones that I've shared, you may want to consider the Amican dryer. So this one has two attachments as well. It has the diffuser and the one just for directional blow drying. These will snap on, so you have to give them a little firm push and then they'll stay on like that. It is more affordable than some of the other ones that I've shared, so you want to go ahead and check it out. It is linked for you in the orange shopping cart. This one vents through the back, but it has a really fine screen, so it's going to collect all the dirt and dust right back here, so it'll make it super easy to clean that off. It has a decent sized diffuser. People that use diffusers like to see it, so I'd show you it's like the size of the palm of my hand. This is the box that comes in and it's ready to give us a gift.